Every day, beautiful Saturday morning for you. We're going to do an emergency water heater today. Alright, you know, as HVAC guys, you know, plumbing. Hold on, let me shut this thing up. We do it all, you know, so we do HVAC, electric, plumbing, all that. We do it as snake and shit pipes. That's not my style. What we'll do today is we're gonna do a nice water heater. I'm gonna go pick up my cousin Vinny Mobilio. Gets it going. You know, I need that young blood. Of course, this water heater is not in the best of spots. You'll see. So, check this video out. I think all y'all will like it. And I'll have you guys meet my cousin Vinny. He's coming up. Alright guys, we are going to go in Papa Mo's house. Big Joe Mo, the starter of it all. What's going on over here? Full view? Nice. Look who it is, my cousin Vinny.
You're on time. It's not right.
And I was late. Look at this guy. What are you doing? Today, no work? Come on, Herman. Wake up, will ya? Come on, put some underwear on, will ya? Good Lord. O'clock in the morning. So we're putting in a nice water heater today, Pop. What do you think? Good, right? Smile for the camera. And one day you're gonna look at this and laugh. Trust me, we all do it. How you doing, Hoib?
Come on, let's go. No more. Come on.
Ready, Vin? This is it. Big Vin Mobilio. Let's get it. All right, boys and girls, let's go. How you doing? All right, we got my cousin Vinny up in the house. Today, who was late? You or me?
This guy.
I was late today. Sorry. All right, you ready, bro? Hit it!
Ready for war, Joe? How you wanna blow they spot? I know these dirty cops that'll get us in if we murder some wop. Hop in your Hummer, the punish is ready. Meet me and Beatles with noodles, we do this do while he's slurping spaghetti. Everybody kiss the fucking floor, Joe, we crack, fuck them all. If they move, noodle, shoot that fucking whore. Dead in the middle of little did we know that we riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly.
Hey, for the honey. So we're gonna hit that up, check it out, and then let you guys see what it's all about. Getting in the dirty. Getting underneath the crawl spaces, seeing what's going on in there, and then lugging that bitch out. So, let's get it.
I ate my Wheaties today.
He ate his Wheaties. Alright, Vincenzo, you ready for the day?
Rock and roll, kid.
Let's do it, bro. Have it lead the way. Don't move us.
How lucky can one guy be? I kissed her and she kissed me. Like the fella once said, ain't that a kick in the head? The room was completely black. I hugged her and she hugged back. Like the sailor said, quote, ain't that a hole in a boat? My head keeps spinning. I go to sleep and keep grinning. If this is just the beginning, my life is gonna be beautiful. I've sunshine enough to spread. It's just like the fella said. Tell me quick, ain't love a kick in the head?
Okay, that should be sucking out all that water, right? So we're gonna drain that heater, get this going, and then once it's completely drained, start taking apart the gas valve. Isn't that lovely? Alright, so we're gonna have my cousin Vinny and I are gonna bring this bad boy in. Let's do it. Stand by. Water heater from hell. Here we go. Okay, just a heads up, our camera died while we were doing the new water heater, and just so you do know, the water heater came out excellent, all right, and everything went perfectly, no issues. You know, I was very happy with how Vinny and I did that water heater, and let me tell you guys something. If you want the best, you gotta call the best. And let me tell you, this episode is definitely one for the books, and there's just many more to come. Boiler Boys, baby!